Within TimesManager, companies can have multiple projects, and for lawyers, the project would be called a matter. Start by choosing the billing party, and TimesManager will then select the company or client associated with that party. When you enter a project or matter name, a unique code will be created that allows for quick entry or retrieval of timeslips. Choose a project administrator from the drop-down list, and you can then proceed to fill out any additional information you will need for the project. When choosing a rate source, you have the option to pick from Timekeeper, Project, or Activity. If you select Timekeeper, the default rate entered in the Timekeeper profile will be charged, but you can click on Checkbox to change Timekeeper default rate for this project only to override the default with a specified Timekeeper rate. If you select Project, a single rate will apply to the entire project regardless of the Timekeeper. And with Activity, the rate will be determined by the rate associated with the activity. The final step is to assign the applicable activity groups to be used for the project, and then click Save to complete the creation of the project.